Hello and welcome back. Let's restart from where we left just now. So we were trying to get the alternate colors in for the columns. Let's give it a shot. Again, come to home, and inside of home you can see a lot of categories on the ribbon. So go to styles. Alright. So conditional formatting, new rule. And what is the new rule? I like to choose this one. And instead of using row, I'm going to use column. So divide, okay, current column by 2. And if the remainder is 0, say more than 0 for now. More than 0, it should give you color of this blue. Okay. Alright, let's try to expand this over. Okay. Now, anytime you see this, you click, you can see an option drop down. You can copy cells, field formatting only. So I'm going to use this field formatting. Okay. If you have values over here, I don't want to copy the values over. Let's try. Yeah. Field formatting only. That means you want to apply the same rule of formatting the cell across and down under. So it will apply to the whole area. Now again, let us have a look and apply another rule. Home, styles, conditional formatting, go into new rule, use formula to determine, and let's try this, right? Yeah, equals to mod. Okay, now I'm going to try to detect those even columns. So I should compare it to 0, equals to 0 specifically. Column, divide by 2, it should be equal to 0. Oh, 0. And I should get a bit orangey color. Yeah, this one, say. Of course, you won't see that on the first cell over here because it is, it's not the targeted column. But if you draw it across, yep, you see it right now. Okay, same thing. Field formatting only. So the values are not copied over. I want to just affect the formatting aspect of this bunch of cells, this area, this region. Okay. So let's have a look. This one right now has got 2 rules. See, manage rules, they got 2. This is equal to 0. These are checking for the even, okay, even columns. These are checking for the odd columns. Now, as you go along, you might define more and more formatting rules, and you will see them in stacks. Now, over here, apply in order shown. What does it mean? Meaning that over here, if you have a lot of rules, the first one will take precedence, will be given priority whenever there is a conflict. So example, say if I were to color the third column with the color of green, it should be placed on top, on the very first one, so that whenever there's a conflict, example you can see over here, perhaps this if say any one of these odd columns, instead of just being just odd columns, they are also okay, if they are also the third column, okay, then they should be given the color of green. And whenever they try to resolve conflicts, the first one, the top one, will be given priority, will be given precedence over the rest. To illustrate what I am trying to say, let's just try and apply another rule over here, okay? A new rule. Apply a new rule on this whole bunch of cells, okay? Equals mod column 3, and if it is equal to 0, the third one, okay, I want the color to be green. Perhaps not. You don't see any over here. It's fine. Let's try to press OK. You see it on the top. If we expand this, I suspect you will see. Okay. Right, see the third one. This is the green color. Okay. 1, 2. Let's just try to expand this. That will give you a better idea. All the way down. Yeah, so right now, precedence over blue. Instead of blue, it's now green, because simply the third one, okay, you see, 1, 2, 3, the third one, this is the, we divide by 3, it gives you no remainders, therefore it is fulfilling the first rule and also the second rule. But let's see here, this whole bunch is fulfilling the 2 rules, manage rules. This is not the second one, it should be the first and also the third rule. If it is conflicting, then the first one will take precedence over. Okay, so that's it. Right, thank you.